So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to install Spectrum TV app on Fire TV. Download, sign in and streaming setup. So how to install Spectrum TV app on Fire TV? On Fire TV home screen, go to find, then search, type Spectrum TV. Select the official app by Character Communications and tap download get. Once installed, launch the app from your home screen or app list. Then sign in with your Spectrum username password or activate via code at spectrum.net. So, download the Spectrum TV app. Turn on your Amazon Fire TV device, then open or find from the home screen. Search for Spectrum TV app and select download. Downloading the app gives direct access to live TV on demand and channel streaming. Step 2. Sign in to your Spectrum account. Open the Spectrum TV app after installation. Choose sign in. Enter your Spectrum username and password. Signing in links your Spectrum subscription to the app and unlock your channel lineup. Step 3. Start streaming on Fire TV. Select live TV on demand or guide. Choose a channel or program. Enjoy streaming on your Fire TV device. Once set up, you can stream Spectrum TV without a cable box. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe us.